What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get some free V-Bucks. So first go to this site, howtogetvbucks.com. First thing on the site is to type in your real Fortnite username. Mine is that, as you can see in the background. Let me just type it in real quick. After that we must select the device we play Fortnite on. I play on PC. You can see many different options you have. Every device is on here. So after that, select the secure connection you like the most and tap that proceed button. Here select the amount of V-Bucks you want. Just select the amount of V-Bucks. You don't have to type in anything for XP, just the V-Bucks. So click proceed and wait for the site to load everything it has to. This may take a few moments because the servers are a little bit laggy lately. A lot of people have been generating free V-Bucks, so just be patient and you will receive your free V-Bucks. Okay, so it's adding our 10,000 V-Bucks right now. A few more seconds and that should be it, guys. Okay, as you can see I only have 400 V-Bucks. At the end of this we will have 10,000. So to get our free V-Bucks we must pass your verification. This is only here to stop bots from stockpiling and reselling accounts with a lot of V-Bucks. To get your free V-Bucks you must download two apps and open both apps for 30 seconds. 30 seconds is right there, as you can see, but I do recommend spending a few seconds extra. I'd say around 15 seconds extra per each app, so let's say 45 seconds per app, even to a minute, just to be sure, because the apps measure the amount of time you spend on them and send that information back to the site. That sends you your free V-Bucks after you spend the 30 seconds required, but it can bug out. It doesn't start measuring the time instantly, so just to be sure, spend 45 to 60 seconds per each app. As you can see, guys, all the apps are safe, free and official to download, and you do not have to worry about anything. They're all from the App Store or Google Play, depending on what kind of phone you have. They're all free and you can delete them after you receive your free V-Bucks, of course. Just open them for the 45 to 60 seconds, as I said. Okay, this is the second one. All the apps you see on there are probably going to be useful apps. As you can see, hotspot shields, cleaners, games, things like that, things that you already should have on your phone, so you can keep the apps or not, it's your choice, but they are always useful apps to have. So I'm going to speed this part up of the video so it isn't too boring for you to watch, and I'll be right back when it's time to see if this worked. Bye guys. Okay, so that should be it. Now let's see, let me close this news tab. So it's been around 50 seconds and right there, guys, as expected, my V-Bucks are going up. So go get yours on howtogetvbucks.com. Let me know down in the comments if I can help you in any way. As you can see, my V-Bucks are actually going up, so this 100% works all the time. It never failed me. Me and my friends have been generating free V-Bucks. So go get your free V-Bucks at howtogetvbucks.com. So let's go to the item shop now and buy some cool skins, some emotes, whatever we want. So I want this Breezy emote, so let's buy it. Okay, and as you can see, guys, my V-Bucks are legit. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.